Hi, I'm Shrikant Kashyap. I'm a data scientist. So I'm basically a person who designs solution to a problem and implements it. One of the reasons I came here was I wanted to have a full ownership of the product, develop it end to end, understand its various nuances, what goes into designing the whole pipeline. And I think it was a great decision to come here. Especially I saw the profiles of the trainers. I saw Vivek's profile. I saw the syllabus, pretty much what they are going to cover. So I was a little impressed with that. I came, some apprehensions, but I think it was a very good, very productive 3 days that I had here. Means I got to learn a lot. Pretty much something that I haven't thought about, like the learning plan, how you design a minimum viable product. How do you evaluate your own product? How do you take it through different life cycles? It's very important. You may be a developer, you may be a designer, but to develop a product, you have to wear a lot of hats. A product manager does that. I didn't understand the depth, the degree of seriousness that goes into being a product manager. I think it was a wake-up call. I was thinking it to be a little lightweighted, but it is a little serious. But I'm excited. I think going forward, the day if I have my own company, I'll like to wear that hat. And I think it's a great program for anyone who wants to, be an owner of a product, be it in your own company, or you are part of some big organization where you're owning a product. I think it's very important. And one thing I'd like to mention is that going through a 3-day workshop is not an easy thing. It's tough, but the trainer, I think the credit should go to Vivek. How he made it very, very easy to go through the 3 days. Generally we are exhausted after 3 days. He did a very good job. He kept us focused. And one of the things that I liked very much was his focus on the basics. So because you can learn a lot of concepts, but ultimately what matters is that your basics should be right. And that's what I liked about it. And he kept going back to the basics. So that kept us very much focused, which is very important for a product manager. So I think it's a great experience. Very nice talking to people here, especially the mix of audience that was there. It was a very learning experience. And I can say that I'm going back, as a better person after this, as a better, I know exactly what I am going to do now as a product manager, as a entrepreneur. And okay, I might struggle a bit, but I think the foundation that has been given here is something that I'll take and work on it for a long, long time to come. So I'll like to thank also Product Innovation Academy also for creating this opportunity, and I think it was something I was looking for, and it came along at the right time probably. So it's a great initiative. I think is very much needed by people, especially I thought I needed it, and I was fortunate enough to get it. So thanks a lot.